Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You are driving the wrong way down a one-way street. Dude, you're seriously driving? You're driving down a one-way street the wrong freaking way. That's twice in 2 days.
What are you doing?
Luxury, straight out that bottom, nobody ain't nothing to me. Be careful while fucking with me. All of my little brothers body, they cutting for me. Yeah, they gon' cut you for me. Lay in the car with them colors and cut you for free. Say she in love with me, or say you love her.
He was merging. Oh, he's a fucking Florida driver. Oh god.
Yeah.
Saying, get the guns.
No.
Oh, that's what he's about to do. Shit. He just got rear-ended. That guy just got rear-ended.
God damn.
No, what a loser.
Brings the whole food with her. The eggs. Brings the eggs. I doubt that they're worried about that though.
Oh my He did it again!
He did it again?
Oh my god!
I want to see that.
He might run. Oh,
I mean,
I'm sticking around for it. Shit.
10. All systems are go for more classic rock. Let's get back to the classic rock on 96.7 The Eagle.